In this video, I'll show you how to appeal a Facebook business account restriction step by step. If your business account has been restricted or disabled, you can request a review through Meta Business Suite. First, open your web browser and sign in to Meta Business Suite with the Facebook account that manages your business. Next, open Account Quality or go to Meta Business Support Home if you've received a restriction notice. Select the restricted business account to view the reason for the restriction. If Meta asks you to complete identity verification, business verification, or secure your account, complete those steps first. After that, click Request Review or Appeal, depending on the option available for your account. Explain your situation clearly, provide any requested documents or information, and submit your appeal. Meta will review your request and notify you of the decision through your support inbox or email. If your appeal is approved, your business account access will be restored. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.